What's this? Wait, what? Oh my god, who's this? Scary. Help! Hello everyone, I'm Fa and welcome back to Sindas TV. Today, we are going to talk about a crucial aspect of mobile device security, unlock attempts. Have you ever wondered who's been trying to unlock or factory reset your managed devices and when? Do you want to keep an eye on unauthorized access attempts to your devices and protect sensitive information from falling into the wrong hands? If so, you are in the right place. Today, we are going to explore how to assess the unlock attempt report in Scalefusion Dashboard and keep your devices secure from potential security breaches. So let's get started. To assess the unlock attempt report, first navigate to the Reports and Workflow section. Then select Reports and click on Unlock Attempts. From there, you can specify the date range for the report and filter by device or device group. If you choose to filter by device, you can either select all devices or search for a specific device by name, IMEI, or serial number. Once you've made your selections, you'll be able to view images of individuals who attempted to unlock the devices during the specific time period. Clicking on the image will bring up a pop-up window with intrusion details, including the individual photo, device name, time of the attempt, and location. You can easily navigate between images by clicking on the next or previous buttons. Finally, you can also download the report as a CSV file. And that's a wrap. With this powerful feature at your fingertips, you can rest assured that your managed devices are well protected and secure from any unauthorized access. So keep an eye out for any suspicious activity, and if you do come across of any potential security breaches, take immediate action to safeguard your devices and data. As always, thank you for tuning in and be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications for more helpful tips from Sindas TV. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!